right. Have those boarding passes ready. Boarding pass?
Oh,
Hey,
boarding
boarding
pass.
pass?
Sorry. I think you said ready like down
No,
there.
have them ready for
We
me.
tried to sneak through.
こんにちは。T チャンネルの T です。皆さんいかがお過ごしですか？7月にオレゴン州の南の方にあるゴールドビーチというところへ夫と2人で1週間のバケーションに行ってきました。その際にジェットボートツアーというものに参加したのですが、海岸から約 50km の上流へ行き、ランチを取った後、同じコースをまた戻ってくるというものでした。とても楽しかったので、機会があれば次回はもっと長いコースに参加したいなと思っています。
Those bald eagles can live 15 to 20 years in the wild, up to 50 years in captivity. But on a serious note, where did it go?
It's right in the sun.
It's still right above us. Sorry, I have a roof on top of me, guys.
You're doing pretty good keeping up. That's going right back at us.
Okay, now I'm out here. There it is.
Oh, cool. Guys, seriously, we normally never get this close to them. But definitely be quiet, guys. I don't think he sees us.
Now you're trying
Alright, guys, question. How do we feel about spinning this boat?
Spinner!
You are pro spinning. Okay, copy that. Well, first things first, I'm going to roll these kids away. Anyway, so every time we spin this boat, I am going to say, hold on, hold on, hold on. Just like that, every time. I will not surprise you with a spin. That's not cute. Okay? When I tell you to hold on, that means I want you to... That was weak, but I think you get it. That bar ahead of you, yeah, hold on tight to that, guys. Especially those little kids up front. Just hold on to them tight. Put your legs about shoulder width apart. The first 3 rows are going to get the most amount of force on these spins. Don't go flying out, gang. If anybody does fall out of the boat, you must take a buddy with you, okay? I will not go back for just one. Gas is expensive. Want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, spin number 1. Great.
Look at the nest. See the nest? Big vulture nest up top.
Oh, got an osprey nest up here on the right. Is there an osprey up in that tree? What do we got?
I haven't seen it yet.
Or is that another turkey vulture, bald eagle? I'm not seeing an osprey. That might be an osprey head poking out the top of that nest, though. Guys, that right there, that was an emergency spin, okay? See these guys over here on the right, if I'd have given them a full-on wake, Lord knows it could have happened. So I'm not going to use the word hero. You guys want to, it's on you. Oh, they got some jumpers on the left. Don't do it.
Do it.
You got so much to live for.
There you go. Yeah! Whoa!
Wow. Wow. Oh.
Yeah!
Woo.
Woohoo! That's it? There you go.
Oh. Wow.
Anybody else? Oh, she's feeling the pressure. She ain't going. Look, those guys are some of the toughest birds on the river. They can pull a fish out of the water up to 5 pounds.
Oh, I see a baby.
And if they grab one bigger than that,
yeah.
a lot of times they'll catch it. Guys, look to your left here. This rock is called Colebrook schist. It's a very delicate word to say over a poppy microphone while children are present, but we went for it. You guys see the white strands running through that? That's quartz. Okay? You know anything about gold mining, you know where you find quartz, very often you're going to find gold. A lot of gold taken out of the Rogue River back in the day. Mid-1850s, when the first miners started showing up here.
Out of gas.
Yeah, right.
Engine out.
Yeah.
Guys?
Good.
Pretty good?
Oh, yeah. Can't see.
This is full service.
Can you do my glasses too?
And J-stroke.
Nice. I take back all those mean things.
Guys? Yeah. Good? You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Y'all good at the water?
Yes.
It got hot.
Beautiful ride.
It
This
did.
is awesome. We got a good headwind too. Get the water on you guys. Way sweet. And it's dry. You guys are.
Hey, give him a spin. Slow to roll.
Oh, looks like John Carl over there just flipped a whoop-de-doo. We might do a couple more of those on our way upstream. You guys good at that?
Yeah.
Always.
Play your cards right. We might even do a whoop-de-dome. You guys keep holding on real good. We might try one of those barrel roll moves. Be like Top Gun. We were inverted. Oh dear. Oh dear. On our left. buck. But not too little. Ooh, that little buck right there might be in the danger zone come October.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of narrow.
Still got some film.
Alright, we're getting a little shallow. I'm going to go ahead and pick up. Welcome to the little community of Agnes, Oregon. Population 125. Wow. That includes dogs, cats, and livestock. So guys, we got about an hour and 20 minutes. We'll find a little bit of that wind going the right direction. Agnes RV Park on the right, guys. Beautiful spot. You guys want to come back and stay in one of those houses right there. Most of them are up for rent, alright? We'll park them.
Now we're even.
Did you duck?
You got hit. Yes, we ducked.
Okay, guys. Creek. Indian rhubarb's that big leaf plant right there. Don't eat it. Very poisonous. Just looks like it. Hey guys, made it back to Gold Beach safe and sound. How'd it go? Nice, nice, nice. Absolutely gorgeous coming in. And we get that north wind howling off the coast. Boom. If we have any veterans on the boat or active service members in our military, thank you for your service, guys. We appreciate you always, always, always.